Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is January the 4th, 2022. Yeah, I'm gonna show you why I'm still bearish into the market in GameStop. Yeah, it's gonna be relatively simple and easy. I want you all to understand that this video is just looking at the price chart. I'm not here to give you any fundamental analysis. I'm not here to give you any FUD, any FOMO, any technical analysis. I just simply look at what you and I are doing with the money when it comes to these particular stocks. Just pay attention to what the money is doing. And then you guys will begin to understand that, yeah, you can actually tell what the majority of the market participants are thinking. So welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin. This is what I do. If you guys appreciate it, hit the like button, and also subscribe here to the channel. Also, in order to make sure you're updated on my latest price prediction, you need to make sure you come to the channel, go to the playlist, sort it, probably by the last video added, to make sure that you get the latest price prediction for each particular market. Okay, because I keep everything fully open, fully transparent. So if you're looking at an old GameStop video, I mean, you might want to go back and look at the latest one, because my price predictions change. It does, and it's going to change today. So make sure you guys continue to go to those playlists in order to get the latest information as to what my thoughts are, what my price predictions is going for any particular market. All right, now December the 10th was the last time I did a price prediction in the market in GameStop. I'm not hiding anything from you. Look at it. Yeah, I was playing the weakness into the market in GameStop, right? And the price did dip. It came all the way down to to $130, right? What, 3-4 trading days into that price prediction, the market low came in at $130. Were you able to grab the bag then? Because timing is very important. This is how you don't want to overstay your welcome. $130 would have garnered you 16.75% profitability. If you were to get out now, well, you dwindle that down to 2.25. But either or, hey, you still called it. You were still in position to see the price in GameStop drop. Now, let me get rid of this then, because I'm going to show you why I am still bearish in the market in GameStop. Now, this is going to be long term. Okay, you're watching this video on January the 4th, 2022. What I'm going to show you is maybe 3 months, 6 months out. Okay, so as this video is being watched from now until 3 months, 6 months, I want you to understand that yes, I will, and you will see opportunities and bouts of movement higher in GameStop. So real quick, let me show you the 3-day first. Okay, now, I mean, GameStop has been trading within this trading channel for pretty much all of 2021. We've seen this price in GameStop trade in between these two lines. Yeah, all of 2021. Now, question, 2022, are we going to break down, or are we going to break out? Or do you think we're going to continue to do the same thing and just trade sideways for another year? What do you think? What is your plan? What is your prediction? Now, this area here is very good. $140. I like that. But only so much. In order for us to really see the bullishness into the market and GameStop come through, we will have to see the price come back up above 200. This is it on the weekly. And I want you all to see this. I want you all to see this. This tells us a lot of information. You just have to understand that the truth is already on the price chart. The market is already showing you what the issues are and what the problems are. Look at this. This is the weekly chart, right? Let me zoom in. The last 4 weeks, the market in GameStop could not break above $160. Question, why? Why could not the market in GameStop break above $160? If you can't figure that out, if you can't answer that question, then you are not going to be swayed when the price moves. There's only one reason that price in GameStop could not trade above 160 the last 4 weeks. There's only one reason. Why? Because there's a whole lot of selling going on right there. That's it. Don't forget, there's only 2 transactions that you will ever do in a market, either buy or sell. That's it. So for some reason, this market was being restricted from going above $160. And the reason is there's sellers there. The market is being dumped on right there at 160. So from that perspective, we already know, hey, unless we see price in GameStop break above $160, we already know that we're generally weak, that this movement right here is still in control. That's one reason why I'm still bearish into the market in GameStop. The market gives us the information. The biggest area is right there around 180 to why I'm still bearish into the market in GameStop. Look at this on the 2 weeks. Okay. Now, let me go ahead and show you all the price from a monthly perspective first. Look at this. Okay, look how we ended last month. This is just a follow-on from what occurred in November. The selling really started in November for GameStop. Yeah, it started there and it bled over into December. Buyers actually came in though during the month of December because the price closed off of the lows. So yeah, there's buyers here. I mean, the market came down here in the beginning of 2021 and the market found support even then. This is why the buyers came into the market again in GameStop. Now, let me show you the 3 months. This is it, okay? This is the reason why I'm still bearish into the market in GameStop. Look what happened over the last 3 months. Again, this is the truth. See, this is why I'm not emotional. This is why I'm not nervous. This is why I can actually come in and say, yeah, the market does look kind of weak. I mean, think about it. The last 3 months of trading, I mean, the last 3 months of people placing bets and getting in position and buying and selling. The price in GameStop topped out at $250, right? But only to close down lower towards the low end of the bar at 129. That's a whole lot of weakness right there. That's 3 months. Let me show you the 6 months then. You see it on the 6 months. Look at this on the 2 months. So 2022 looks like the market in GameStop may actually make a pretty big move to the downside. I mean, you might even see it come down to 100. You see that? 60? Yeah. So this is why I'm still bearish into the market in GameStop. I know you guys don't want to hear it, but the chart doesn't lie. Okay. So I would say from at least 2 months to 6 months is the weakness that I'm seeing into the market in GameStop. So from a weekly to a daily basis, are we going to see times where price goes up? Most definitely we will. This is what a free market does. I mean, it moves up and it moves down. But from a long-term perspective, the answers are already here as to what this market is really feeling and thinking. If the market in GameStop truly was strong, if the market in GameStop was really being bought up by everyone and the market participants, then price would not be closing towards the low end of the bar. The only thing that's keeping this market propped up right now is this 140 and 120. Okay. That's it. The continuation of trading sideways. That is the only thing keeping this market in GameStop from actually continuing to go lower right now. So what I'm going to do, I said $200. I'm going to create this price prediction right here for the long term. Okay. So let me go ahead and switch this back over to a weekly real quick. And I'm still, that's what I want you all to understand, that I can still see buyers trying to come in and control this market while it trades in this trading channel. Okay. So I'm going to give you points and pit stops to say, yeah, you might need to take the bag, take the profitability into the market in GameStop, because I don't want you all to think that I'm oblivious, to not think that the buyers aren't here neither, because they are. So again, price dips down here to 140 Take the bag. Take that 9% and be satisfied and say, yeah, the market did fall. Buyers came in at 140. Let me take the profitability. Because you will get indications that buyers are appearing again. So I want you all to understand that they give you their footprints. The evidence will be strewn off of the price chart. You'll see it. So that would be the first spot. Second spot would be again at 120. Okay. That's the second spot. Now outside of that, like I said, $100. That's $100 right there. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to extend this out. Okay. Just a little bit further, just to allow the market to continue to bounce in between those ranges. Okay. Bring this over to the daily. Let's take it to around like mid-February. Let's see what the price is doing around mid-February in GameStop. Now, if I see price come up here to $180 and I still see buyers, I'll come in and say, yeah, the market strength is back in. The buyers are controlling the narrative right now in GameStop. And I'll take the other side of the trade. This is one thing you have to be. You have to be versatile. You should not be biased whether you're a buyer or a seller. You got to play both sides in order to be profitable in the market. You have to see it both ways. Now, this is what I'm saying. So now it's your turn. Hit me up. Let me know, what do you all think about GameStop? Where do you think the market is going? Are you bearish? Are you bullish in the long term? Now, long term is 3 months to 6 months. Okay. In the next 6 months, will price be higher? Will price be lower? Something you all need to consider and contemplate. Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.